Hey guys, how's it going? This is Logan Oliver, your favorite English teacher, and I wanted to first kind of introduce myself. I asked you guys to write a blog this week about introducing yourselves, and so I want to introduce myself. My name's Logan Oliver. I'm from Jacksonville, Arkansas originally. I went to Arkansas State University and got a broadcast news degree, and then after I messed around in the world for a little while, a year and a half or so, I went back and got my master's in English at Arkansas State University. I taught at Arkansas State for a couple years and then went to ASU Mid-South, which at the time was Mid-South Community College in West Memphis, and I taught about 4 years there. And then I got a job here, closer to home, would be closer to family, and I taught developmental reading and English for 3 or 4 years, and now I am teaching English, and I'm also the chair of languages and communications. So I'm the chair of English, speech, foreign languages, and mass communications. And I wanted to first let you put a name to the face, so you know that there will be people out there who, when they take an online course, they think that they're being graded by the computer. I don't think they think that literally. It's just like subconsciously. So I want you to be sure that you met me digitally, and I hope to meet you guys throughout the semester. We will have conferences, mandatory conferences, twice this semester. You're welcome to come by and see me. I would love to meet as many of you that can come by. I realize some of us can't. Or we'll have those conferences voice to voice on the phone. So we can deal with that when it's time. It'll pop up as an assignment in the module, so you'll know when it's time to do that. But anyway, if at that point you can meet me, I would love to meet you guys. I also wanted to mention, I kind of wanted to introduce your readings about the voices from Native America. And you can't talk about American history or American literature without talking about Native American history, Native American literature. It's over 31 pages of reading, but guys, it is lots of shorter snippets. Please don't sit down and try to read all 31 of these pages at once. Read them a section at a time, and you'll see they're easily broken up. The first section, for instance, is like just kind of a little introduction to Voices from Native America, and then a couple of pages from Smohala. It talks a little bit about about each writer or each kind of storyteller. Some of these are oral narratives that have been written down for us. It tells you a little bit about the speaker, and then it has like where the information came from. Sometimes letters, sometimes, like I said, written from like oral histories. But please just sit down and read one, and then if you miss something, go back and reread it. Take them a little bit at a time. You got a whole week to do it. Try to get it done by Friday. Maybe read a little bit every day. Maybe a couple of the pieces or one piece at a time until you get finished, and that way you'll have the weekend to write the blog. So do it as fast as you want, because 31 pages with these books in this class is going to wear you out. You're going to get over reading real fast. I know a lot of us aren't super excited about it in the first place, but you got to do it, and you got to do it well. So please, if you have any questions or anything or need anything, I'm at your service. All my contact information is on the syllabus, and I'll look forward to hearing from you and hopefully meeting you at some point. So you guys take care, and let me know if you need anything.